Is 7-zip refusing to open, crashing, or simply doing nothing when you click it? Don't worry, the cause could be anything from a damaged installation to Windows security settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most useful fixes, starting with the easiest ones. So let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, save your work and restart Windows. It sounds simple, but a temporary process or system issue can prevent applications from launching correctly. After the restart, try opening 7-zip again. If 7-zip still won't open, try running it as an administrator. Find 7-zip in the Start menu, right-click it, choose More, then Run as administrator. If Windows displays a permission prompt, select Yes and check whether the program launches. Next, check whether 7-zip is actually installed correctly. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps and search for 7-zip. If it's listed, you can confirm the installed version. If it's missing or looks incomplete, reinstalling it may solve the problem. If you decide to reinstall, first uninstall the existing installation if necessary. Then download 7-zip from its official website and choose the correct Windows installer for your system. Install it normally, then try launching 7-zip again. Sometimes Windows security features can block an application. If you downloaded 7-zip from an untrusted source, Windows may prevent it from running. Check Windows Security or the file's properties for a security warning. Only unblock or allow the program if you downloaded it from a source you trust. If the 7-zip file manager won't launch but you only need to extract an archive, right-click a zip or 7-zip file and look for the 7-zip options. If those options work, the program itself may be installed correctly, and the problem could be with the shortcut or file association. If archive files open with another application, use Windows Settings to check default apps. Search for the archive extension, such as zip or 7-zip, and select 7-zip when available. This won't fix the program itself, but it can fix problems where double-clicking an archive does nothing useful. If nothing works, remove 7-zip completely, restart Windows, and install a fresh copy from the official 7-zip website. Avoid modified installers or third-party download sites. Yeah, using the official installer is the safest way to rule out a corrupted or incomplete installation, and that's how to fix 7-zip when it won't open. Start with a restart, try administrator mode, check the installation, and reinstall from the official source if necessary. If the program opens but archives don't, check your file associations too. Hopefully one of these fixes gets 7-zip working again.